Hi and welcome guys in this new video. We have seen in the previous videos of this tutorial some primary information and how to draw a line and a polyline. So you have to see them before watching this video. And please support me by clicking the subscribe button and like this video. And expect my upcoming videos. Okay, in this video I will show you how to draw a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, there are three methods. The first one, you can draw it with the command line, as I will. If I want a rectangle with 400 in the width and 600 in the length, you can simply type the dimensions with the keyboard, just like this. So that's about using a line. The second way, you can draw a rectangle with the command polyline. Exactly like what I did with the command line. And close. But the difference between them is that you can see in the method with the command polyline, all this line is connected to each other. But in the reverse, the method with the command line, each line is single. Like we can see here. Okay, the last method is very fast and useful. You can draw a rectangle directly with command rectangle. So, go to the panel of drawing and click on the icon rectangle. Now, you have first to insert the first point and pull in the direction that you want, like this. Then, type 600 and press tab, and finally 400 and press enter. Exactly like this. So this is the end. I hope that my way of explanation has liked you. If you want to advise me, leave a comment and I will be happy to read it. Thanks for your watching and let's meet in the next video.